Breakfast with me. I've eaten beef tartare like at restaurants a couple times, but I've never made it myself. Basically, you find the highest quality tenderloin you can find. After it's all chopped up, you're just gonna put it in a bowl. Ooh, ooh. Grab a shallot. I love onions, don't get me wrong, but like, why do we eat something that makes us cry? And add to a bowl. Capers. It's like all liquidy. Okay. They're already so tiny. Like, how do I cut them? Capers. Chives. Yes, I'm washing everything. Chives. Parsley. I feel like I was not supposed to leave the stems in there. Parsley. Dill. They didn't have any fresh dill. So weird to me that like this has flavor, you know? Dill. This is the Dijon mustard I like. Yummy. And I'm not the biggest fan of Worcestershire sauce. So I'm using coconut aminos. Drizzle that in there. That's what my beautiful creation looks like. Remember the beef that we put away? This beef? Make them all a big happy family. Some salt, some pepper, lots of pepper. And now I'm just gonna leave it in the fridge for a couple minutes just so the beef like soaks up all that flavor. Plating